Usap-usapan ngayon sa internet ang tungkol sa isang lalaki na sinasabing ang kanyang katawan ay pinag-eksperimentuan ng kanilang gobyerno, at nagsimula umanong magbago ang kanyang anyo na mistulang ito ay nagiging isang halimaw.
My name, it's not too important. The information I'm about to tell you is extremely important. I was an intelligence specialist with the United States Navy. Since then, if you watch my other videos, you realize that strange things have started to happen to my body. If you remember, my eye has started to get more of a slit and a reptilian, or I guess snake eye appearance. If you look at my other videos, or what I'm adding right here, you can actually see up close what my eye looks like. If you remember, my body in certain areas, like for example, look at my elbows on both sides, I'm growing additional limbs. My hands, my thumbs, they're extending and growing too. At first, I just put out a cry for help on TikTok. I didn't know who's gonna answer, who's gonna respond.
At ayon sa lalaking ito, ang eksperimentong ginawa sa kanyang katawan ay isang uri ng military hybrid program, na kung saan sinusubukan umano ng kanilang gobyerno na makalikha ng mga sundalong halimaw.